Today, I'll show you ChatGPT prompts from Keywords Everywhere that you can use for Excel to help improve your productivity. So let's get started. Okay, to access the prompts for Excel, you need Keywords Everywhere. Go to keywordseverywhere.com and install this browser add-on for either Chrome or Firefox. Then log in to your OpenAI account. Now with the Keywords Everywhere extension installed and turned on, you'll notice two new things in your ChatGPT dashboard. The first thing is this templates button on the left-hand side, and the second thing is this continue button on the top right-hand corner. Today, we will be focusing on this templates button. So to access the Excel prompts, let's click on this templates button, and this will open up the ChatGPT prompt templates widget. We then need to click on this category dropdown and click on productivity. And for the subcategory dropdown, we are going to click on Excel. And these are all of the Excel templates that we can use. Let's click on the first one, Excel Dictionary. So this template will generate a simplified explanation for your Excel function or formula. Okay, you can choose from different languages, but for all of these examples today, it's going to be English. And this is where you add your Excel function or formula that you want ChatGPT to explain for you. So I'm going to put a VLOOKUP formula right here. And this is your prompt template. You can see our VLOOKUP formula was added to the template right here. Now you can edit any text within this template if you wish, but I'm going to leave it as is and click on Execute Template. Okay, so within a few seconds, ChatGPT generated an explanation for our VLOOKUP formula. So again, this was our prompt template, and this is what it generated. Okay, so it says the Excel formula is using the VLOOKUP function to search for a value in the leftmost column of a table and retrieve a corresponding value from a specified column in that table. And it shows you the breakdown right here. And it also provides you with an example to help you understand better. So it gave us this table as an example with a column of products and a column for pricing. And this is our VLOOKUP formula. And when you run this formula, it will tie in the orange to the price in another table. So now we have a much better understanding of any type of Excel function or formula that you are working with. Okay, so let's go to the next Excel prompt. Let's click on this templates button. And for the templates dropdown, let's click on Excel Helper. Now this template will help create commands or formulas to help with your Excel problem. And this is where we add our Excel problem or goal we are looking to accomplish. Let's just say my goal I'm looking to achieve is I really want to highlight all the cells with more than 2 consecutive spaces in between characters. So I'm looking for cells that have 2 consecutive spaces, and I want them highlighted. That's my goal, and this is my prompt template. Now I'm just going to click on Execute Template. Okay, within a few seconds, ChatGPT generated a list of steps and a formula that we can use to achieve our goal. So again, this was our prompt, and this is what ChatGPT generated. It says, highlight all the cells with more than 2 consecutive spaces in between characters in Excel. You can follow these steps. So it provided us with these steps right here. It also provided us with the exact formula we need to use. Now keep in mind that sometimes ChatGPT does hallucinate data, so anything that it generates might not always be 100% accurate, so you definitely want to double check the information that it generates for you. But nonetheless, these templates are a great starting point. Okay, so let's go to the next Excel prompt template. Let's click on this templates button. And for the templates dropdown, let's click on Excel macro. Now this template will help us create macros for the Excel problems that we are facing. And this is where we add our goal. So let's just say we are auditing an Excel file and our goal is to highlight cells with misspelled words. Okay, so we want those cells with misspelled words to be highlighted, so we can go and correct the misspelled words in those specific cells. So this is our prompt template. Now all we do is click on Execute Template. All right, so ChatGPT generated an Excel VBA macro that highlights cells with misspelled words. Okay, so the code is right here that you can copy and paste. And it also provided us with steps on how to use this macro. So very easy, very simple. So with these Excel prompts from Keywords Everywhere, you no longer need to spend hours Googling the answer. Just use ChatGPT with Keywords Everywhere to quickly find any solution to your Excel problems. Okay, so those were the Excel prompt templates I wanted to show you today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel. If you want to check out our other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.